FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers, and for the date of 7th of November 2018 we are ready to present our point of view of how to trade major currencies into world financial markets during the next couple of sessions. At the moment, of course, the main topic to discuss is the results, midterm elections results in the United States. As you could see at the moment, taking into account the information we have right now, it's looming the situation of so-called split Congress into the United States, where the House of Representatives will be controlled by Democrats and the Senate will be under Republicans. In such kind of environment, of course, it's not a surprise to see some stronger support of such kind of currencies like Japanese yen or Swiss franc, which usually have tendencies to appreciate in such kind of unpredictable environment. At the moment, dollar yen is trading around 113.12. Taking into account that the high was printed around 113.81. Now the pair is ready probably to revisit the lows of today, that's located around 112.90. But once again, as you could see, the volatility is more or less under control. And in such kind of environment, it's hard to say where the market will finally react, but we suggest that probably the Japanese yen could have some additional boost during the next couple of sessions, and probably in best kind of situation for the bears, we could revisit and retest a current uptrend line in the currency that's located around 111.70. All in all, the same applies probably for the dollar Swiss, which is trading around around the parity level, a little bit higher. During the night hours, after the first results of midterm elections in the United States, the pair plunged to the lows of 0.9990, but more or less here the situation also probably the same as during previous trading session. We don't see any kind of big changes here. Let's say a longer term situation still remains quite bullish for this kind of currency, and of course, probably once again, probably around the level of parity 101, it could this kind of currency can find another top, and during next couple of sessions and probably even weeks, we could see some lower levels for the dollar Swiss, in case if such kind of a level of 101 will hold, and in this case probably we could retest the moving average 200 daily line, in better cases, of course, in best cases the level of 0.9772. As regarding some other currencies, here probably it's hard to understand the situation just now after the first results, but we would like to concentrate your attention on the information that came from the New Zealand during previous trading session. New Zealand dollar received a really very strong support. Let's see the chart of New Zealand dollar. That's because of much better than expected labor data in the in New Zealand, and taking into account that today we have Royal Bank of New Zealand interest rate decision, probably the first signs of improving economy and the first signs of let's say earlier kind of interest rate rise from the part of Royal Bank of New Zealand, of course, should further support the Kiwi, and in better cases we could see we could see the kiwi some higher, with the first kind of target located around location of moving average 200 daily line. That's now crosses around 0.6905. Once again, the situation, despite of midterm election results in the United States, still remains more or less stable. We don't see any kind of big changes into world financial markets, and as a result, probably it's time to concentrate on technical factors. And probably during next couple of sessions, the United States dollar will be under some downside pressure because of split Congress in the United States, and some probably troubles the Republicans will have when will decide its next policy decisions. Of course, from this point of view, the United States dollar should be under some kind of selling pressure. Anyway, let's see how the situation will develop. We wish you all the best today. Take care. It was your Future Trend channel. Bye bye for now.